How to restricted accounts on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to restricted account in Instagram. It's so easy and quick. So all you need to do is go to your Instagram and click on those three lines up there. Click on setting and click on privacy. Now scroll down and click on restricted accounts on connection. Now you should know that Instagram, they're not gonna tell them if you restricted them, and only you and the person you restricted will see their new comments on your phone, on your posts, and they won't see when you are online or when you are read their message. So all this is for protect yourself from unwanted interaction without having to block or unfollow people you know. Click on search and add the list of people you want to restrict it. This is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.